Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like and subscribe and share this channel with someone else you think will enjoy it. Looks like today we're doing number 270. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 3, 9, 3 and 9 here. So that makes this our 7, 9, 3. If we look at this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, a 1 covering these boxes, and a 4 there. So that means this is our 8, 4, 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column now, looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 in this box, so this is our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 9, 1, 9. That means the only place our 2 can be is here. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 8. Got an 8 covering here, so 1, 3, 1, 3. That means our 8 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and a 6 here, so this is our 9. That 2 means this is our 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 9 and 1. For this row now, looks like we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. To finish out this column, looks like we're just missing a 1. For this column, looks like we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 2, 4. This 3 comes over here, makes this our 1, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. We've got a 7 here, so 1 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.